Be the envy of your friends in this 2010 Ford Focus.
Experience the pleasure of driving this vehicle.
Low emissions and the good fuel economy offered in this vehicle are important to you and to the environment.
Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: a CD player, central locking, climate control, cruise control, curtain head airbags, power mirrors, power windows, stability control.
Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. The anti-lock braking system will help to keep you safe on the road. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles.